Okay, Connor, so you had 64 in the test, which is pretty good. That was a safe C. Paper 2 is a bit trickier though, so let's see how you get on. You're going to lose a mark on this first question because you haven't added the 0 that your calculator wouldn't have put on, because your calculator wouldn't know that you were working in pounds and pence. When we write things down in pounds and pence, it's always 2 decimal places, so not B2, 3 out of 4 for that. 3176 is correct. 400 square centimeters would be a page. If you think about this sheet here, that's probably about 30 centimeters by about 10 centimeters, so 30 by 10 would be 300 centimeters squared, so that is too small. 960 is correct, but that isn't 220. These are going up in 20s. You're going up 0, and then you're going up 5 scales to get from 0 to 100. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So each little mark is 20. So that should be 240. Your method then is correct. So you will get 2 out of the 3 marks available. 8, 10 marks on that first page. You got these the wrong way around. That's a chord, that's a tangent. 8 centimeters is good. No, a perpendicular line through C will be a line that's going through the dot C at right angles to there. 49 is correct. It isn't times 6 squared. The squared is with the meters to show that that's area. So what you're doing, or what you need to do, is 49 times 6. So you lose the mark there, the last mark there. 3 for the page. That's good. With this one, what I said was you can't draw it accurately because I've shrunk the page, so just draw me a sketch. So what you're looking for is, that is pretty much what you've drawn but a bit smaller, and then the back needs to be the same length as that so that they join up and will be a rectangle, and then the front, this when it comes down, that side needs to join up to that side, so that side needs to be the same length as that. So that's the sketch that I was looking for. 2 for the page. Well done, well done, well done. Good, good. This one, you're on a calculator, 53% as a decimal, 0.53. Times it by the quantity and work out your answer. 10 for the page. Add 4 is correct. Divide by 3. You're dividing the previous number by 3. X is 6. You've written it wrongly there. It should be 18 over 3, but you'll get away with it. 8 is correct. This one, you're adding 3, so 5 add 3 is 8. So if that's X, this is going to be X add 3. 58 is the range, 52 is the mean, 37 is correct. So 5 marks there. This one is wrong. Basically, because 15 has come off all of those values, the difference between the smallest value and the largest value will be the same. So 5, 9 for the page. Take a look at the video of me explaining those, and you can practice more of those. It's called Algebra in Context. We will be doing it in class at some point, but if you go onto the foundation topics on the website, there's plenty there to have a go at. This is a bearings question. We'll practice that. But the first part of it, all it's asking you to do is to measure that line in centimetres from P to Q and then multiply it by 8. Okay, so you haven't done any maths in there, and what you've done isn't right either. It would take 20 markers to mark all paper A in 1 day, and 10 to mark the paper B's. No, it wouldn't. It would take 40 and 20. But there's no maths in there. You got the answer wrong, so you won't get any credit. Again, take a look how I explain that on the video clip. Constructions we will be practicing. That is 157.41, not 40. When you do it on your calculator, you've got to do 85,000 divided by 540. Turn it into a decimal, and you can see that the next decimal point over, so the next digit, is 5 or above, which means that that is nearer to 41 than it is to 40. So you would lose one of those 3 marks. 241 is correct, although that is incorrect. I don't know why that's. It's going to take 7 hours 41, which will make it that time, so you've pulled the wrong one over, so you will lose a mark there, I'm afraid. Still 5 marks, not bad. 122, well done. Good. Quite impressed that you managed to do that without doing showing any working out, but you have. So, what did I say you had? 64 last time. Well, I don't think you got 64, but I don't think you've done too badly. 10, 13, 15, 25, 34, 39, 42, 47. So 47 is a grade D. It is 11 marks off a C. So when you get a chance, go through those questions that you got wrong or you left out and see which ones you can sort out yourself.